Hello my people, I am so excited you're here with me. I'm going to show you how to make a green home accent piece. Portable, stylish, no maintenance, and can be done in about 6 minutes. All you need is some preserved moss, a bowl or container, and some pebbles. Both of these things can easily be found at your local nursery. And I got this at Goodwill for $2.95. How about that? The first thing we're going to do is line our bottom. Next up, we're going to add our pebbles. Tuck in some moss to kind of lift up our rocks and really give it a more natural feel. Check it out. The centerpiece, you could do a smaller bowl for an end table or for an entryway. Get to work so you can have your own green home accent piece. Super simple. I'm Banken. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see y'all next time on Green Tea Time.